മെഡിക്കൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലെ സ്റ്റാറ്റിസ്റ്റിക്കൽ അസിസ്റ്റൻ്റ് പോസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് നടന്ന 2010 കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിലും 20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. For the two events A and B, probability of B given A equal to 1/2 and probability of A equal to probability of A given B equal to 1/4. Then option A and B are mutually exclusive. Option B, A is a sub-event of B. Option C, A and B are independent. Option D, A dash and B are independent. The correct answer is option C, A and B are independent. Question number 22. In Bayes' theorem, the probability of mutually disjoint event is termed as option A, likelihood, option B, priori probabilities, option C, posteriori probabilities, option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, priori probabilities. Question number 23. If x is a random variable and c is a constant, then cx is also option A, not a random variable, option B, random variable, option C, may or may not be a random variable, option D, none of these. Correct answer is random variable. എക്സും വൈയും രണ്ട് റാൻഡം വേരിയബിൾ ആണ്. എയും ബിയും കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ റാൻഡം വേരിയബിളിൻ്റെ കൂടെ കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ് കൂട്ടിയാൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റാൻഡം വേരിയബിളിൻ്റെ കൂടെ കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. രണ്ട് റാൻഡം വേരിയബിളിൻ്റെ സമ്മ്, റാൻഡം വേരിയബിൾസിൻ്റെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ്, റാൻഡം വേരിയബിൾസ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് 1/x ax പ്ലസ് by, ഇതെല്ലാം തന്നെ റാൻഡം വേരിയബിൾ ആണ്. Question number 24. A condition for a function P is called a probability mass function is option A, probability of P less than 0, option B, probability of P greater than or equal to 0, option C, probability of P equal to 0, option D, all of these. The correct answer is option B, probability of P greater than or equal to 0. From a lot of 10 items containing 3 defectives, a sample of 4 items is drawn at random. Let the random variable x denote the number of defective items in the sample. Then probability of x less than or equal to 1 is option A, 2/3, option B, 5/6, option C, 1/2, option D, 3/7. The correct answer is option A, 2/3. 26. D capital letter f of x is termed as option A, probability density function, Option B, probability mass function. Option C, probability differential. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, probability differential. Question number 27. The joint probability density function of two-dimensional random variable x, y is given by f of xy equal to 2, 0 less than x less than 1, comma 0 less than y less than or equal to x. Then f of xy equal to 0 otherwise. Then the marginal density function of x is 4 ഓപ്ഷൻസ് അവിടെ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 2x, 0 ലെസ് ദാൻ എക്സ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 1. ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 2x, 0 ലെസ് ദാൻ എക്സ് ലെസ് ദാൻ y. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 2 into 1 minus y, 0 less than y less than 1. Option D 2 into 1 minus x, 0 less than x less than 1. But the correct answer is option A 2x, 0 less than x less than 1. Question number 28. If x and y are independent variables, then option A, expectation of xy not equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. Option B, expectation of xy equal to 0. Option C, expectation of xy equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. Option D, expectation of xy less than or equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. Answer is option C, expectation of xy equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. Question number 29. The value of expectation of a number on a die when thrown is option A 7, option B 7 by 2, option C 2 by 7, option D 3. The correct answer is option B 7 by 2. Question number 30. Moment generating function is independent of change of option A origin, option B origin and scale, option C scale, option D none of these. Correct answer is option D. Question number 31. From the probability generating function, one can find the moment generating function by the substitution. Option A, S equal to E. Option B, S equal to 1. Option C, S equal to E raised to T. Option D, S equal to E raised to TX. The correct answer is option C, S equal to E raised to T. Question number 32. The mean of a binomial distribution is 3 and variance is 4. Which is option A possible, option B impossible, option C may or may not be possible, option D all of these. Correct answer is option B impossible. Question number 33. The number of printing mistakes at each page of a book follows? Option A, binomial distribution. Option B, negative binomial distribution. Option C, Poisson distribution. Option D, hypergeometric distribution. Answer is option C, Poisson distribution. 34. The classes of highest order is option A, order of the classes. Option B, degree of the classes. Option C, complementary classes. Option D, ultimate classes. Answer is option D, ultimate classes. 35. The hypothesis which is tested for possible rejection under the assumption that it is true. Option A, power of the test. Option B, alternative hypothesis. Option C, null hypothesis. Option D, critical region. Answer is option C, null hypothesis. 36. Reject the null hypothesis when it is true is option A, type 2 error. Option B, type 1 error. Option C, power of the test. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, type 1 error. The value of the test statistics which separate the critical region and the acceptance region is option A, region of rejection. Option B, significant value. Option C, level of significance. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, significant value. Question number 38. If x is a standard normal variate, then x square by 2 is option A, gamma variate with a parameter 1 by 2. Option B, gamma variate with a parameter 2. Option C, beta variate with a parameter 1 by 2. Option D, beta variate with a parameter 2. Answer is option A, gamma variate with a parameter 1 by 2. Question number 39. Who prepared a table for the variance ratio F? Option A, Professor R.A. Fisher. Option B, Carl Pearson. Option C, G.W. Snedecor. Option D, Bernoulli. Correct answer is option C, G.W. Snedecor. Last one, testing the significance of a rank correlation coefficient is test based on option A, F distribution. Option B, normal distribution. Option C, T distribution. Option D, chi-square distribution. Correct answer is option C, T distribution.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.